100 quick and easy English conversations. Topic 1. Food.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food, especially curry.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple dishes like pasta and rice.
What do you drink with lunch?
I usually drink water or orange juice.
Do you eat fast food often?
Not often. Maybe once a week.
What food don't you like?
I don't like mushrooms.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like chocolate and ice cream.
What is a traditional food in your country?
A traditional food is kebab with rice. Please watch again and practice.